Ay, word problems. Hey, so for these word problems, the biggest thing that we're looking at that's different is this word right here, directly proportional. So if you know what directly proportional means, as soon as you see this, you'll know how to write the equation. As soon as you see directly proportional, you should be thinking something like this: y equals k times x. Something is directly proportional to something. And if that something is directly proportional to that means there is some kind of constant that multiplies to this other, the second something, to make it equal to the first something. Whoa, that was really confusing. Here, let me give you guys a formal look at what directly proportional means. So when something is directly proportional to something else, we're writing a linear model. You guys are used to this linear model right here. Y equals mx plus b. That's slope-intercept form. A more simpler linear model would be y equals kx. And with the way you can read this is like this. Okay, no, that's not it. Okay, y is said to vary directly as x, or to be directly proportional to x. Okay, so y is directly proportional to x. Here's some different words or vocabulary phrases that you guys might see in word problems. That means you're going to have this kind of a model. Y varies directly as x. Y is directly proportional to x. Y equals kx, and they just give it to you straight right there, for some non-zero constant k. K is the constant of variation. That's whenever you say constant, it means it's a number, or the constant of proportionality. All right, so now let's get back to our problem right here. Okay, so this says, in Pennsylvania, the state income tax is directly proportional to gross income. So state income tax is like our y, is your equal sign, directly proportional to gross income, so that would be your x. And so directly proportional to, I guess I could put the k right here. So the y equals kx is seen right here. State income tax, it might be easier just to write it out. State income equals some number times gross income. You are working in Pennsylvania and your state income tax deduction is $42 for a gross monthly income of $1,500. Find a mathematical model that gives the Pennsylvania state income tax in terms of the gross income. Boom. There you go. Wait. No, I'm sorry. This is not boom. we have to have this value as y. We have to have a number for this one, and we have to have this value as x. So we got to solve for k and then plug k into our model. To get the k alone, you're going to have to divide both sides by 1,500. And then you get k equals 42 over 1,500. Looks like both the top and bottom are even, so I'm going to go ahead and simplify that by dividing by 2. There you have it. There's your k. So now our final answer is going to be y equals 21 over 750 times x. And actually, you know what? I actually already did it. I identified my variables. It's very important that you do that so that your grader can know that you know what the variables mean.